Importing Chemicals into the United Kingdom, a comprehensive guide to UK REACH, customs compliance, and declarations on the Customs Declarations UK platform. Introduction. Importing chemicals into Great Britain can feel daunting. You must satisfy two distinct regimes, UK REACH for safety, and HMRC customs rules for legal entry. Today, we will guide you step by step, showing how to move your chemicals quickly, safely, and without surprises. The Dual Compliance Challenge. First, understand the twin tracks. UK REACH demands registration, safety data, and risk management for substances above 1 tonne per year. At the same time, every shipment must clear the Customs Declaration Service, complete with the right classification, licenses, and payment of duty and VAT. UK REACH Essentials. Since January 2021, Great Britain has its own REACH system. If you import more than 1 tonne of a substance in any year, you must register it with the Health and Safety Executive or appoint a UK-based only representative. Northern Ireland remains aligned with EU REACH, so check which rules apply to your route. Pre-import checklist. Before you place your first order, pause and ask the right questions. Is your substance above the 1 tonne threshold? Does a GB registration or DUIN already exist? Are there special authorizations or restrictions? What is the correct 10-digit tariff code, and does your chemical need an import license? Finally, can you claim zero duty under a trade agreement? Answering these early avoids costly detours later. Meeting UK REACH obligations. Once registration or DUIN is confirmed, your duties continue. Supply every downstream user with a current safety data sheet in English. Communicate exposure scenarios and control measures. Track annual volumes and update your dossier if you cross into a higher band. And if your substance appears on the authorization or restriction annexes, secure the necessary approval letters. Navigating customs declarations. Clearing HMRC is equally structured. First, obtain your GB/EIR number. Next, classify the chemical under the correct commodity code in the UK trade tariff. Then, assemble your invoice, packing list, SDS, license IDs, and REACH references. File your import declaration through the Customs Declaration Service, settle duty and VAT, claiming any preferences, and archive every document. Streamlining with Customs Declarations UK. The Customs Declarations UK platform makes these steps effortless. Its tariff code wizard suggests the right HS code and highlights license requirements. Dedicated fields capture your UK REACH registration or DUIN. A real-time calculator shows duty and VAT costs. Templates save recurring chemical details. Seconds after submission, your movement reference number appears, and the dashboard tracks clearance. Handling hazardous chemicals. Many chemicals carry hazard labels, flammable, toxic, oxidizing, and must travel under ADR, IMDG, or IATA rules. PIC-listed imports require pre-import notification and annual volume reports to the HSE. Incorporate these transport declarations into your customs filings to ensure door-to-door compliance. Claiming free trade relief. Under the UK-EU Trade and Cooperation Agreement, qualifying EU origin substances enter GB without duty. Keep supplier origin statements for at least 4 years. For other agreements, verify origin rules and retain certificates of origin. Accurate proof of origin can save significant duty costs. Keeping audit-ready records. Strong record-keeping makes audits painless. For each shipment, maintain 2 aligned files. The customs file holds your MRN, declaration printout, license copies, and invoices. The REACH file contains registration or DUIN, evidence, STS, tonnage logs, and authorization letters. Conduct quarterly self-audits by tracing a single shipment from order to clearance. Conclusion. Importing chemicals into Great Britain is complex, but it need not be stressful. By confirming UK REACH status early, following precise customs procedures, and using a dedicated platform like Customs Declarations UK, you can turn compliance into routine. Thank you for watching, and may your chemical imports clear borders smoothly every time. Filing your customs declaration is now frictionless, smoother, more reliable, and swift with customs declarations. For more information, please visit our website www.customs-declarations.uk.